Hello everyone, welcome back. Who doesn't like fairy tale stories? Everyone has a fairy tale story within themselves. Does fairyland and fairy castle exist in real? Yes, they do exist. A original fairy tale castle which is surrounded by the German Alps and magnificent forest named as Schloss Neuschwanstein. It is placed on the top of the village Hohenschwangau in Bavaria, Germany. The castle tells about the tragic tale of the king, who became a king at the age of 18 and ruled the country. But rather than that, he had passion for art, music and architecture. He was the king, second of Ludwig, who built this fairy castle with lots of advanced technology. Because of his passion, he could not become a great emperor. The king suffered the biggest defeat of his life in 1866. The expanding state of Prussia conquered Austria and Bavaria in the German War. After that, he moved into his childhood castle and built Neuschwanstein Castle beside the previous castle in the honor of the famous composer of that time, Wilhelm Richard Wagner. He was very shy in nature, so he decided to stay alone and want to be a king of his own kingdom. The preparation work of the castle began on 1869 and ended on 1886. Few days after moving this castle, the king died mysteriously at the age of 40. After that, the castle was opened for public. Fame and defame are vice versa. The king was renounced as the fairy tale king. In the other hand, he was denounced as a madman in his lifetime. The castle reflects the affection of the king towards his passion. The interior is full of beautiful paintings, selling art, murals, which illustrates the work of famous poets. The concept of castle was started by the German kings. After that, it was introduced to the whole European countries. The Neuschwanstein Castle is the most beautiful and well-known castle of the world. It is a castle to inspire fantasy. It is the most visited place in Germany. Above 6,000 tourists visit here every day in summertime. But the frosty view in winter is truly breathtaking. The Walt Disney Company inspired by the architecture of Neuschwanstein Castle and developed a castle of Sleeping Beauty in Disneyland Paris. The Disney castle is so beautiful, but the real castle is more adorable. Which one you like the most? Please let me know in the comment section below. No doubt, it is an amazing architectural design of the king. But the personal life of the king gives an impression that not every fairy tale story ended with happily ever after. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.